Zenbo Business Management Console (ZMC) is a multi-business management system that helps companies become more efficient. In the era of AI, businesses face new challenges. Together with Zenbo and ZMC, you can get the best robotic business solutions in the industry. Zenbo has a wide range of expressions, voice responses, and body gestures which can foster children's creativity. Working as a teacher's assistant, Zenbo helps to integrate the information into administration system. Zenbo is a pharmacy clerk and gives instructions on how to take specific drugs, assisting medical staff on routine tasks. Zenbo can offer VIP customer service in hotels and major business places, including greetings, check-in, and guided tours. Through natural language processing and voice recognition, Zenbo can understand questions and respond quickly to provide the most enjoyable customer experience. So what is ZMC? ZMC is very easy to use. Companies can adjust system settings for different business areas, and there is no problem if you want to install or remove one or multiple apps. ZMC can categorize multiple Zenbo into groups and improve management efficiency with limited manpower. You can manage Zenbo remotely through ZMC anytime, anywhere. This is Zenbo Management Console, a customized solution to make Zenbo your smart business partner.